Today we're going to learn how to do the installation of a SunTino solar light. The major components in the SunTino solar light are the ground stake, the riser boot, the riser, and the houser fixturing ring. First we're going to do the installation of the stake. I'm going to screw that on and tighten. Then we're going to take and we're going to set the solar ring on top of the riser stem, and with the included Allen wrenches we're going to tighten up the housing ring onto the riser stem. Next we're going to select your mounting location, and we're going to clear the rock or the soil around the area that you want to mount the fixture. Then we're going to use a hammer and like a 3/4 inch plastic conduit pipe here. We're going to pound the pipe into the ground, and then we're going to open up a hole and we're going to take the stake, we're going to put it into the hole, and then we're going to tamp on the top of the stake lightly and drive the fixture into the hole. Then we're going to take, and so that the soil is going to be flush with the top of the stake, then you're going to push all the dirt back into the hole and then tamp the soil around the stake, get it good and secure. And you can place your rock or soil around the fixture. Next we're going to take the solar head out, and the solar head has a master on and off switch, so you can activate that. Then it has a timer setting, a intensity setting, and then this is just a manual test button. So you're going to select your hours of operation, your intensity setting, turn it into the on position. The photocell here is going to come on out when it's dark out. Then I'm going to drop the solar ring into the head like so. Then again with the enclosed Allen wrench, we're going to tighten up the set screw on the back side of the fixture to lock the solar ring into place. And there's your installation of a SunTino solar light.